the world is definitely changing around us. And because it's changing around us, it is affecting us inside too. So bringing light into the importance of mental health is something that everyone in our company wanted to offer a tiny bit of contribution as well. And oops, didn't pick up well. Hello, welcome to another episode with Zen with Ren. To start off today, I really wanted to share one testimonial that really moved myself and the rest of the team here at Maniology. And this is what we received. I stumbled across the Zen with Ren videos and started painting my nails for the first time in my life because it helped me remember to breathe and realize it's okay to make mistakes. Now, each video is like a therapy session. I stamp along with you all. It helps me remember that everyone can struggle at times, and that's okay. Thank you for all that you do. I never imagined that for a guy like me, I don't really do nail art, but I created the Zen with Ren video series within the Maniology YouTube channel, and then there's no matter how small the impact is or how many people that we're able to reach, it really humbled me and feel like that we all can make a small impact, and that's what it matters. So today, I plan to do a few conscious breath meditation exercise with you first, and then we will do some nail stamping, and I will continue to share some insights about daily mindfulness, and I hope you like it. If I catch you at the right moment, I would like to do a short, simple meditation with you with few conscious breath. Why don't we get started? I'm closing my eyes and make myself comfortable. Right now, I want to just breathe in and breathe out consciously. Bringing my attention to notice each breath, air going in and air going out. You know, during this process, we don't need to force or design how we want to breathe. However we do it naturally, just simply notice it. Because I'm talking with you right now, I'm still observing, but I just want to notice everything that is happening right now. Like how the car vibrates, like a little vibration sound. I'm noticing the AC. I can feel the heat from the sun. Just simply notice without judgment. I feel more just like this. Try to notice the nuances, the subtlety, like how the air goes in, how it feels like inside of you. Okay, that's all. For me, I like to do meditation with you together because I feel like there are many others who would do a guided meditation like they're not doing it. But I feel like meditation could be long or short. Of course, I feel it's kind of difficult to do like a long meditation with you. I can, but I think many of us, we want something short, and I want to promote meditation and show you that it can be as short as a couple minutes, or even 1 minute, or even a few breaths. Or of course, if I do my sit-down meditation, usually it will last maybe 10 minutes to 20 minutes. I rarely do a very long meditation because of my schedule or just my preferences. But I feel like it's beneficial to do it with you together to see how I do my mindfulness practice. So I really hope this helps. Thank you. Okay, are we ready to do some simple nail stamping? Today I selected this plate right here with many happy faces, plate number M439. I just plan to see what colors. I just randomly selected what I think will do well to stamp on our straight up black polished base. So I pick a few colors: red, yellow, green, blue, and white, and just want to see how that will look like on the black. Okay, and I'm picking different polishes. Okay, back to what I really wanted to share about daily mindfulness and what it taught me. Recently, I have an experience with talking with a friend, not a very close friend, but somehow I knew she was going through some issues with her life, and then we had on occasion that I was able to, have an hour long, I would say, an hour long conversations, and the purpose is not like sharing what we were talking about, but I wanted to say that with mindfulness, doing the conversations that I had with this friend while she shared her story. I'm not sure if it happens to many of you, but does it ever happen that we really wanted to share our thoughts about something when we were trying to help someone, when they're going through some difficulties? Many times we just want to jump into the boat and share, you should do this, you should do that, you shouldn't do this, and you shouldn't do that, right? And oops, didn't pick up well. I will fix this while I talk. But during the conversation I had with her, I think what mindfulness helped me was able to notice my urge, my eagerness to say something when she was sharing her story with me. But I think what mindfulness helped me during that time was I rather consciously chose to listen for the most part. Believe it me or not, there are like many times I felt like I wanted to interrupt because I wanted to offer my opinion. But when I noticed of this urge, I refrained myself from interrupting her, but just rather listen. I don't know if it was really the right thing to do at that time, but I think that when we are able to use mindfulness and then observe our inner state, we can pretty much know what is the best choice to do at that moment. So I really felt that my mindfulness background helped me to make a better choice. Not saying that it doesn't help to offer opinion, but I think when we are more conscious with what we should do, most of the time we're able to do the right thing. And then during that conversation, she thanked me for offering my pair of ears, and I was really happy. So bam white on the black. As we do nail stamping this way, really focusing, of course I'm talking with you on the camera right now, but if you do it alone, I think a lot of our fans and customers, they like to do the nail stamping process by themselves. And focusing is one part, but being mindful is another thing. Mindfulness is not exactly focusing. Mindfulness is being aware. So awareness is the key. So as you're trying to do different stamping, simply just open yourself up, I would say. And these are the moments that can help us to understand ourselves better, is through the interactions with the external environment. This one is pretty good. And other insight or insightful things about meditation and mindfulness is, I think for the past year, I've been, not always, but I try to intentionally just focus on my meal. We eat a few times a day, right? So on certain meal, I try to not do anything else but be aware of what I'm eating. But there are much more times, I think, within the past year, I would put my phone aside, to be honest, maybe the first 10 minutes just to enjoy my meal. So what I mean by applying mindfulness while you eat is that you gently, not forcefully, you don't want to do it like very awkwardly. You wanted to take your time to, as you bring the food to your mouth, really just enjoy the moment, to taste, to really observe how it tastes. Maybe it's good taste, maybe it's too savory, maybe it's too sweet. I think that's the key to mindfulness, is to help us on things that we might normally just take it for granted. Really try to enjoy the meal, know the environment, know how when I pick up my utensil, my chopstick, my fork, how it feels on my hand. Like, make note of that. And I would say it's pretty amazing. I mean, simple things like that makes you appreciate on things that we might normally just take it for granted. Okay, I'm gonna pick the red one. Let's see how that goes on. What is this one? Cherry bomb on the black. Now, as I from time to time do an episode with the Zen with Ren in our Maniology YouTube channel, it's really amazing. Like I said in the beginning, I don't do nail art on my own. It's not one of my hobby. I go golf, but someone would take the time to write back to us and how she gains benefit from watching an episode like this. I think this is the reason why I would love to continue to do it from time to time and share my humble experience on mindfulness, on meditation, because I think we all know nowadays it is so important to nourish our mental self, our emotional self, because the world is definitely changing around us. And because it's changing around us, it is affecting us inside too. So bringing light into the importance of mental health, of emotional health, is something that we, myself and everyone in our company, wanted to offer a tiny bit of contribution as well. Sharing importance of mindfulness and meditation, taking care of ourselves, not just physically, mentally and emotionally as well. Decent. Cannot really tell because the design is kind of thin. So today, I simply stabbed different colors on black. I'm gonna take some pictures and maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. So this is the red one. Can't really tell from camera, I think. I think the best was the white. The white on black is very vibrant. The yellow one was good too. So I would encourage everyone to take the time to practice mindfulness. I believe there are so many resources around us, on the internet, that can help you to start off practicing mindfulness and meditation in a very simple way. By all means, if you have any suggestions for us and how else we can help, we'll read all the comments and my team will share your thoughts to me. And after that, I hope you guys have a nice day and Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.